Once you've connected your starter base and added your license key, you will see the KDP Wizard bookshelf dashboard. You should also see an Enhanced by KDP Wizard badge at the top as well. This changes to Enhanced once you have entered a valid license key and have at least one copy of the starter base connected. If you haven't added your license key in starter base, please watch the quick setup guide video, otherwise you likely won't see the KDP Wizard bookshelf dashboard. By default, the bookshelf dashboard, or dash, is set to sticky. This can be disabled in the settings page under general options. Sticky means as you scroll down the page, the dash stays stuck to the top, so it's always visible and ready to use. If you're on a smaller screen, you might prefer to untick the sticky box so you see more of your books on your screen. Just remember to hit save after. You may also notice that the KDP menu section is hidden by default. If you prefer to have this section visible, just untick the Hide KDP menu in the settings page under general options and hit save to make it visible again.